Buongiorno, everybody. I'm back. Today I'm gonna surprise. I don't even know what I'm doing, but I know what I got. I got cherry tomato, I got calamari, salt and pepper, clams, garlic, of course the garlic, and I got broccoli. I broccoli americani, no italiani, no broccoli, napoletani. Allora, we cominciamo, we start. Pure olio, we always mash. Bello, guarda. È caduto, è fuori, sorry. There we go. Ready? Then we have a little cherry tomato. Guarda. Facciamo, we let it cook maybe not even 2 minutes. Little high. Guarda, cherry tomato. Then we get a little parsley. I always keep a freezer because I never buy the fresh one. Look. It's hot today, yeah? There we go. Ah, it's fresh. Then we put a little bit botticelli, olive oil. I put it already before, but just in case this is more fresh. Then we got calamari. Calamari, here we go. This is my mother dish. Look, that way they cook right away. Look, they're ready almost. A little salt, a little pepper. Then we got the big board. We got the clams. Look. Put the clams in. This is sorry, it's my way, nobody's way. There we go. Let it cook for a few seconds. Let's go right in. Look, 2 minutes. In the meantime, I got the broccoli here. What I'm doing here, also a little bit botticino olive oil, not too much. A little bit more garlic. You see, always you need more garlic. I don't know why, but there we go again. There we go. You just want a little bit saute. You don't want a lot of saute because they cook already. So what I do it, they're ready to go. In 2 seconds, they're ready to go. It's like a steam. Maybe no steam. It's both way. Definitely not saute. A little salt. They're ready. Look. 2 more minutes, they can open up. And I'm ready to go. I'll see you in 2 minutes. Ciao. I'm back, all done. Take 2 minutes, open up the clams. Look how beautiful they are. Oh my God. Hey, una donna mia. You guys thirsty?
Yeah, we just came on a long walk.
Yeah, Dino.
Dino.
They're fresh. delicious, yes. Stay, don't, you know. We ready? Ready. So, the broccoli is ready. Come here, buono.
It's so good.
Yeah. New generation. For me, it's delicious, guys. But I'm ready.
It is.
We do the broccoli. No pasta today. I'm sorry. You guys expect the pasta. No pasta. Today it's Italian mix. Anthony Italian mix. Then we go like this. Guarda qua, guarda. Madonna. Oggi the cameraman, we're gonna taste the mustache. Come si dice in Italia, sa lecchino i baffi. E speriamo che è buona. Ma guarda qua, guarda. Today we eat for a lot of people. Un po' di calamari e poi facciamo alla napoletana. 1, 2 e 3, guarda. Pronte? Thank you very much. A presto. Ciao.